Okay, welcome back. In this session, I wanted to quickly demonstrate the stereo placement of two microphones in front of a guitar. Okay, so basically we want quite a bit of distance here. This we're talking about, it's an arm's length away. Okay, this is the first mic. Okay, this one here is pointing pretty much at the body here like this. And then we have this mic here, okay, pointing again about an arm's length away, pointing towards the guitar here. They're sort of meeting almost in the middle here, like this, almost. It's almost like this kind of thing happening, okay? Whereas this one is originating more on the neck, this one is originating more on the body of the guitar, but they're sort of meeting in the middle more or less. And we'll get this type of sound with this type of placement here. Let's have a listen. Interesting. Now, I'll play that with just the individual mics as well, so you could hear what each of them sounds like individually. But together, they're going to give you that separation. They're going to give you that larger than life sound, especially with some effects on it. All right, so let's try it out with a different kind of progression, a more arpeggiated type of thing, okay? Okay, so I hope that helps. Keep in mind, as always, to keep your space quiet, okay? And what's happening outdoors, quiet. Sometimes it's best to record at night, especially quiet parts like this, because the mics, especially with this distance, you're gonna hear everything. If there's any noise outside those doors, it's gonna catch it all, okay? Even loud fans from computers. So keep that in mind, all right? Until next time, take care.